Well, it is Friday, so we are answering some of the good questions you emailed us this week.
Yes, like why is thunder so loud? And why are we more likely to snore as we get older? John Lauritsen found the answers.
Anita from Mounds View wants to know, why is thunder so loud?
It's the clouds up in the sky abrading against each other.
WCCO meteorologist Mike Augustinac tells us that thunder is the sound made when a small channel of air is heated to 3,000 degrees in just 1,000th of a second by lightning. The shock wave that's made by that air expanding violently creates a boom or crack that we know as thunder. Some viewers wanted to know, why does pop make us burp?
I don't check them that fast. I nurse them.
A little more slowly, right?
Right.
If you drink pop really fast, what happens?
You have to go to the can sometimes.
Okay, well, yeah, that's true.
Kind of burp a lot.
Pop, as we call it in Minnesota, contains carbon dioxide that our stomachs don't want, so it's burped out of us.
Bubbles
Bubbles?
in your stomach.
But carbon dioxide is also the reason that some people think pop tastes better. The bubbles actually heighten the flavor. They can also send aromas up to the drinker's nose, creating a heightened perception of flavor. Juanita from Milan wants to know, why are we more likely to snore as we get older?
Well, I can't answer that. I don't snore, and I'm aging.
You don't snore at all?
No.
Okay. You're
no.
pretty sure you don't snore?
Unless you talk to my wife, you might get a
She
different
might say
answer.
something else.
Yeah, right. It's something to do with their breathing. It's something that's up stuck in somewhere, someplace.
Doctors say as we age, we put on weight, quite often around the neck, so throat space becomes narrower. Nasal strips, humidifiers, and certain pillows can help with this. And if you can get used to a CPAP machine, they have been known to help open up the airway, so snoring becomes less of an issue.
Lots to look
I
forward
don't
to.
think I
That's
snore,
good.
but I don't know. I have woken myself up before, like for napping, dozing off and all of a sudden. But
Oh, you're so honest tonight.
just putting it all out there. If you have a good question for John, please email it by going to WCCO.com/links.